Okay, the next topic, social and cultural factors affecting the business. How the social and cultural factors is affecting the business. We'll see the first one, social factors affecting the business. Okay, so the social classes and their influence on the society. So social factors is nothing but in the society there are various group of people are living. Okay, it may be the average class people, it may be the middle class people, it may be the upper middle class people. Okay, so or the higher income group of people. So there are various class group of people are living in the society. Okay, so here even the social classes and their influence on the society also will be affecting the business. So take example, if it is the people are having the high income group of people, okay, the people are earning more income. So their way of living the life is totally different from the underprivileged people, that is the poor people. Okay, so high income group of people, they were earning huge amount and they will be spending enough amount what they require. And their lifestyle will be totally different from the poor people. Okay, so you can tell even the social class also will be going to influence your business activities. Okay, how the social factors will be affecting the business. Social classes itself, there are various groups of people are there. Okay, either the low income group of people or higher income group of people or middle income group of people. Okay, based on the each category or the class of people, their taste and preferences will be varied and their purchasing behavior will change. And in this way, it will be going to affect your business. That is what social classes and their influence on the society. Then, second, average disposable income level. Okay, so that also is as an in the social classes. Okay, so social class we can tell the group of people upper class, middle class, lower class. Same way here, the average disposable income level based on their income. Okay, whether they are earning the most or whether they are earning the less based on their purchasing behavior will change. Then wealth of the people, then economic inequalities. Okay, even we can call it as in India, still there is economic inequalities are there. Okay, not everybody is living the same life. Okay, the way how the rich people they are living and the way how the poor people are living there, it is totally different. There is the economic disparity is there in the country. So wherever there is the developing countries, okay, still they are developing, their economic inequalities are there, and that will automatically affect your business activities and level of education, whether the consumer will be educated or not. Okay, if it is the illiterate people, then how you are going to communicate your product details with the people, how they were going to understand your product details. So, like that, the level of education also will affect your business activities. Then, access to the education. Okay, whether it is the education will be free or paid. So even though we can tell it as education sector will be the education industry will be calling as the service sector, but now the recent days even the education will become the like the financial sector. Okay, so it is not the free service, it is not the service sector, it is like the business sector. So even the access to education will be totally different from people to people. So whoever is having the higher income, they can go and join the private institute. Whoever is not having the enough amount, they will be joining the government institute, the like the government schools, government colleges. So like that, the deviation is there. And level and access to healthcare. Okay, even these factors, the level as well as the access to healthcare, whether the people are able to access the healthcare facilities. Not for everyone in the country. Still, there are certain percentage of people they are not able to access the healthcare facilities and the health consciousness in society. Okay, whether the particular group of people in the society, the people are having the consciousness about their health safety, like smoking, drinking, drug use, safe driving, etc. Are they people are very much they are taking care of their health consciousness? If it is so, and that will affect your business activities. in what way it is going to affect. Okay, if you are going to introduce any health drinks, okay, so the people are ready to buy the product because there are people are very conscious about their health. Okay, so if you are going to produce some products which will be very much helpful for them. Okay, it is very healthy for the group of people. Then the people will ready to buy your product, even the price will be high. So in this way, that will affect your business activities. Then buying habits and consumer preferences. The buying habits and consumer preferences will be changed from people to people. Okay, so each and every people buying habits will change, and their preferences will also will change, and that will automatically affect your business activities. Then average retirement age, okay, for both men as well as female. Okay, so what will be their average retirement age, and based on their retirement age, their purchasing power and the purchasing behavior will change. Once they were earning and they will be ready to spend too much. Once they will be going to the stage of retirement, okay, they will be going to reduce their purchasing. So their purchasing power will reduce. So that their purchasing behavior will change. And that will affect your business. Then personality of average consumer. Okay, and an average, what type of personality of consumer we have. Whether the consumer are seasonally they are going to buy a product, or occasionally they are going to buy a product, or frequently they are going to buy a product. So what type of personality of consumer you have in the society or in the market, that will affect your business. Then a reputation of the company in society. Okay, how you created the reputation for the company in the society. Are they you created any in the image or the brand name for your product? Are the people are very much familiar about your company product or not? That will create impact on your business activities. Then susceptibility to influence. Okay, is there people, anybody is there to influence the people buying behavior or to change their behavior? Then social organizations like communities, social groups, gangs, and gatherings, etc. So this is a called a social organization. There are any group of people, the community of people, or any gang of people, are they have the influence on the purchasing of this real product? Are uncertainty or avoidance from dominating in society? Okay. So like that, there are various factors will be going to affect your business activities. These are called the social factors. In a society, we see certain group of people have the impact on the more number of people, and whatever they will be doing, they will follow. If the particular group of people, the community people, they will be telling, you can buy this product. Everybody has to follow without knowing the reason. Okay. So that kind of impact will be on the because of the social factors. Okay. So like that, there are various reasons in the form affecting related to social society. So that's all about the social factors affecting the business. We'll see the next class. And those who are not submitted the assignment, please try to submit today itself. Today is the last day. I have to submit the marks. Please make it fast. Okay, thank you. I will end the meeting. And for your midterm exam courses, I already said it may be the first two and a half chapters will be there. First unit, second unit, and third unit half will be there. But first unit is a little bit lengthy, second unit is small. Only few topics only is there, like the Consumer Protection Act, then Foreign Exchange Management Act, then the factors affecting the business activities. Okay, like that 3 to 4 topics only is there in the second chapter. Second chapter is small chapter one. Then we will move to the third. Okay. Okay, thank you very much.